Welcome to Stay at Home Connect. I'm Phyllis Jackson.
As COVID cases surge, Metro Atlanta hospitals and public health departments received the shipments of the Pfizer vaccine. Fulton County Public Health Director Dr. Lynn Paxton and other staff roll up their sleeves to get the first injections. 2 Alaska healthcare workers suffer severe reactions after taking the Pfizer vaccine. This makes a total of 4 reactions worldwide. Doctors say this is expected and should not dissuade people from getting the injections. Both were treated and are doing fine. Doctors say if you've had any allergies, especially severe allergies, you may want to wait or get the vaccine in a facility where you can be treated if there is a reaction. The NAACP hosts a virtual town hall to address concerns about the COVID-19 vaccines and to provide what's needed most, information. The event was moderated by journalist April Ryan and featured Senator Cory Booker and a host of medical experts, including Dr. Kizzmekia Corbett, who was the lead scientist behind the government's vaccine search.
We published a slew of data alongside the phase 1 clinical trial data where people who got the vaccine, 100% of people got whopping neutralizing antibodies. So these are antibodies that have the ability to kill virus. So if you get vaccinated, it's likely that you will be in the 100% of people who have really high levels of those, as opposed to after natural infection, about 1/3 or 1/4 of people do not get those types of antibodies at all. And so you're really playing Russian roulette with natural immunity as opposed to more guaranteed immunity from the vaccine.
7 Tyson plant managers fired for placing bets on who would get sick with COVID-19. The betting ring was discovered at the Iowa pork plant. Tyson is one of the nation's largest meat suppliers. Atlanta City Councilmember Amir Farokhi takes part in a celebration over a new crosswalk on Moreland Avenue in Little Five Points.
It's been a long time coming. It's been a partnership with Georgia DOT, ATL DOT, and the Little Five Points CID, and we're just thrilled that it's a little bit safer for folks to walk in Little Five Points.
From crosswalks to a conversation with Andrew Yang, Councilmember Farokhi hosts the event in the Old 4th Ward, wrapping up 6 months of the Economic Security Task Force.
Former presidential candidate Andrew Yang has been a big champion for guaranteed income. We had about 25 folks in person and live streamed this on Facebook and had a really terrific conversation about economic security, the federal stimulus bill that's likely coming down the pipeline, and how we make life better for millions of Americans.
We're here at the gathering spot this afternoon with Secretary Carson with HUD and the Atlanta Housing Authority to announce the awarding of a community choice grant for planning in and around the former Bowen Home site in District 9. As many know, that was a former Atlanta housing site. It's been vacant and demolished now for right around a decade.
The $450,000 grant will support the creation of a redevelopment master plan for the Bowen Home site. It's part of a 2-year, $5 million grant for community initiatives nationwide.
Thanks for spending a little time with us. We'll see you on the next edition of Stay at Home Connect.